welcome again to our tutorial tonight. I hope you have been encouraged so far since we started our lesson 1 to this now to lesson 8. And if you are new to our tutorials, I will encourage you first of all to subscribe to our channel. Just subscribe so that you can be able to receive all my updates on time. And I also encourage you to go through all my tutorials from lesson 1 where I start talking about Seben chromatics and until the last one that I did, so that we can, as we move on, even if I add up one small thing, we'll be building up from one thing to another. And tonight I will be just trying to help us understand this other type of Seben that we use in our jargon, musical jargon in Congo. We call it deux temps. I took some time to explain about the temps in my previous lesson. I don't want to restart again, but deux temps, Seben. It is a jargon that will make us understand what kind of Seben we are about to play. So if you are playing in a band and you tell your band members, I'm going to play a deux temps or two temps Seben, then they will have an idea, a general idea of what we are playing about. Okay, as I said, this Seben, we call it in our jargon deux temps, and of course, this particular one, I'll be playing it on the key of G. G, perfect. So the formula will be G, C, D, C. So the formula is 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. That's basically the deux temps. So our deux temps, or our 2 times, is basically on the 4th and 5th. Again, 4th. Yeah, it is a jargon. Don't try to understand many things. I can't go beyond there. So let me show you how how I played the Seben, in case you want to know what I was playing. So in this particular Seben, I was using what we call Temps. Where I play like 2 strings at the same time. I play this first one and the 4th one. Okay? Then, okay? Then, okay? Remember the concept of asking question and answering. So my question in this particular one will be, see, let me answer it now. So I rest my case there. Let me play it faster now. Now, the second part of the detente, or what we call detente, I go to the second inversion of the key of G. Okay? I mix some chromatics in it. Okay? Let me go faster. Then I go back to my Seben. Yeah, I hope I've been a bit clear. Remember, keep the Seben simple and sweet. Also, and always remember that every Seben is valid. Don't be intimidated. We are all at different stage. We have different tastes. We have different touches, we have different backgrounds, and we have different musicians. And that's why if you listen to many bands that play Seben, you will find, like let me say, for the bands that are in Congo, you will find that if you have listened to a particular group, once you go to a different group, you will find that they have a different taste of Seben. They have a different taste. If you used to listen, for example, a Seben from Wenge Musika, Maison Mère, once you go to Wenge Musika, it is the same Wenge Musika, BCBG. The Seben, the pattern or the taste, the cadence, we call it cadence, the beat is a bit different. Once you go and start listening to Papa Wemba and listen to Koffi Olomide, all of them are playing Seben, but they are playing different beats. Of course, I just mentioned those people because you know them, but there are so many people who play good Seben, even in gospel, who are not known. And I just wanted to encourage someone who has been feeling like he is intimidated and he does not know how to start, where to start. He is not sure whether he's playing right or wrong. Seben is a pattern. Play that pattern very well and be in agreement with your drummer, with your rhythmist, with your bass player, with your keyboard player. Make it simple. No noise. Don't make a lot of noise. Keep it simple and sweet and make people dance. There is one day where I'll come specifically now to talk about that man called the Atalaku. I'll talk about him in one of our videos. Once more, thank you again for keeping us company and following what we are doing. Encourage us by subscribing and sharing the link with friends. And yeah, that's the only way you can support us. And if you need private lessons, please send me a message on my Gmail. I'll get it instantly and then I'll give you all my details, and we will see how to hook up and start doing our classes. God bless you, and remember, serve God with your talent, because He is the one who has given it to you. Once you praise Him with your talent, He will be more than pleased.